Welcome to the 24v HPR 350 electric motorcycle instructional video by Hyper Toy Company. With electrifying speeds up to 14 miles per hour, this motorcycle is intended for ages 13 years and older. Please read your manual's safety pages for more details. To get started, we'll carefully remove our motorcycle from its box, making sure not to damage the vehicle. Next, we'll remove the outer wrapping. Using scissors, carefully cut away the zip tie that's holding onto your handlebar set. Then continue to carefully remove the rest of your protective wrapping. Once you've finished removing all of the rest of the wrapping, we'll start off the installation by installing our handlebar set. Using your screw bolt and spring washer, go ahead and pre-install the spring washers onto all 4 of your screw bolts. This will help to make the installation easier. We'll align 2 of the handlebar clamps onto the holes of the frame and then rest our handlebar set on top. Flip your handlebars up and over and place them on top of the 2 handlebar clamps. Next, attach a 3rd handlebar clamp to the top of one of these 2 and fasten it into place with your screw bolt and pre-installed spring washer. Hand tighten and then screw in another screw bolt, also with its pre-installed spring washer. Repeat this step on the other side by attaching your 4th and final handlebar clamp. Then hand tighten the other 2 screw bolts, both with their pre-installed spring washers. After that, we'll fully tighten the handlebars into place by using our 6mm Allen wrench. You can use both ends of the wrench to get the best angle for tightening. When properly tightened, the handlebars should not move forward or backwards whenever force is applied. Next, we'll install our front fender by aligning the hole on your fender with the hole on your motorcycle's frame. Insert the screw bolt into the bottom of the fender and then guide it into the screw hole on your motorcycle's frame. Then install the nut on top and hand tighten into place. To tighten the fender securely, we'll use our 10mm wrench on top and our 5mm Allen wrench on the bottom. Hold the nut in place with your 10mm wrench while rotating your 5mm Allen wrench counterclockwise towards you, and then continue tightening until secured. After that, we'll finish up our installation by attaching our front number plate. By aligning the holes on the back of the number plate with the holes on your motorcycle, use the screwdriver side of your 5mm Allen wrench and attach one of your screws to it. Then turn the handlebars to the left and guide the screw through the motorcycle's frame. Then align it with the hole in the back of your number plate. Use your other hand to help press the number plate into the bike as you screw it in. Then turn the handlebars to the right and repeat the same process on the other side. Continue using your other hand to help press the number plate in as you screw it in securely. Before riding, make sure to test and adjust the brakes by squeezing the brake lever. The brake lever is fitted with a cable adjust to compensate for cable stretch and fine-tune lever movement. To adjust the brake, use your 10mm wrench and loosen the brake anchor cable on the back left tire. Adjust the brakes by pushing the wire in to give more slack or pull it out to tighten. Once your adjustment is complete, make sure to retighten the brake anchor cable all the way until it is fully secured. You should also regularly check your tire's pressure and inflate as needed. Make sure to inflate the tires to the correct PSI before riding. To inflate, unscrew the tire's valve stem and use a bicycle pump equipped for a Schrader valve. Then retighten the tire's valve stem and do the same for the back tire. The PSI numbers are also indicated on the sidewall of this tire. And finally, regularly check your motorcycle's spoke tension by grasping and shaking each spoke. Look for any play between the spoke flanges and where it mates with the hub. Try to turn the nipple by using your fingers. You should not be able to spin any of these by hand. If one or more of the spokes is loose, start with the spoke closest to the tire valve stem and tighten each nipple in sequence all the way around until you make a full circle. Then repeat this step for the back tire. Before charging your motorcycle, make sure that the power switch is in the off position. Then on the left-hand side, locate your charging port unit. Please refer to the battery, vehicle care, and pre-riding check pages to ensure proper maintenance for your vehicle, sufficient battery power, and to extend your battery's life. Take the charger out of the box and plug it in. We'll finish up by plugging the charger plug into a wall outlet. The battery will begin charging, and when it's completed, the charger's plug light will turn from red to green, indicating that your vehicle is fully charged. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We hope that you enjoy your new 24-volt Hyper HPR 350 electric motorcycle. If you still have any questions, please give us a call at 1-866-204-9737 or email us at info@hypertoys.com.